To track Bill4Time QuickBooks integration, start by understanding the basics of both systems. Bill4Time is a time and billing software, while QuickBooks is an accounting program. Integrating the two allows for seamless transfer of data, streamlining your financial management. First, ensure you have a Bill4Time account and a QuickBooks account. Next, go to the Bill4Time website and navigate to the integration section, where you will find the option to connect with QuickBooks. Click on this option and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Once connected, you can configure the integration settings to specify which data you want to transfer, such as invoices, payments, and time entries. You can also set up mapping to match your Bill4Time data with your QuickBooks accounts. To track the integration, go to the Bill4Time dashboard and look for the QuickBooks Integration tab. Here, you can view the status of your sync, including any errors or warnings. You can also view a log of all transferred data, allowing you to track what has been synced and when. In QuickBooks, you can verify the integration by checking for the imported data. Go to the Invoices or Time Entries section and look for the data transferred from Bill4Time. You can also run reports in QuickBooks to ensure the data is accurate and up to date. Best practices for tracking Bill4Time QuickBooks integration include regularly checking the sync status, verifying data accuracy, and addressing any errors promptly. It is also essential to maintain consistency in your data entry and mapping to ensure seamless integration. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively track your Bill4Time QuickBooks integration, saving time and reducing errors in your financial management. Regularly review and update your integration settings to ensure optimal performance and take advantage of the streamlined data transfer between the two systems.